Good morning. Welcome to Storytime with a Scientist. My name is Sammy Hadi, and today I'll be reading Fly Guy Presents the Weather. Fly Guy Presents the Weather by Ted Arnold. A boy had a pet fly named Fly Guy. Fly Guy could say the boy's name. Bzzz. Buzz and Fly Guy were visiting a weather station. "Whoa," Buzz said to Fly Guy, "it's windy. Let's get in out of the cold." They headed for the door. Weather is all around us, and it changes all the time. It affects what people wear and do every single day. When it is sunny, people wear sunglasses. When it is cold, people bundle up in warm coats. When it rains, people carry umbrellas. They may even wear rain boots. Earth's weather is controlled by the sun. Changes in weather are caused by changes in Earth's atmosphere. Atmosphere surrounds Earth and is made up of air and water. When air moves, it is called a wind. A breeze is a slow-moving wind. Wind that moves quickly is called a gale. A very strong gale can damage trees and homes. 3/4 of Earth's surface is covered in water. Water moves between the ground and the air. It has 3 forms: liquid, solid, and gas. When the sun warms water on Earth, the water turns from a liquid to a gas. Then it rises into the air, forming clouds. As the air gets colder, the water changes from a gas back to a liquid, or a solid. It can fall to Earth as rain, hail, or snow. This is called the water cycle. Clouds form when water rises up very, very high into the air, and there are many different types of clouds. Cirrus clouds are the wispy and thin ones made up of ice. Cumulonimbus clouds are fluffy and made up of water. Stratus clouds are thick and flat. Fog is a stratus cloud on the ground. And cumulonimbus clouds are tall and gray and made up of ice and water. They are also called thunderclouds. They can cause heavy rain, lightning, or even tornadoes. Precipitation is rain, hail, or snow. When water droplets fall back to Earth as liquid, they are called rain. If it rains too much, the ground may not be able to absorb the extra water. Water can pool in puddles. When puddles become large and cover a lot of land, this is called flooding. If it doesn't rain enough, the ground becomes dry. When it doesn't rain for a long time, it's called a drought. Sometimes winds make ice go up and down inside a storm cloud. Layers of ice stick to one another, forming balls. These ice balls are called hail. If it's cold enough, snow crystals make snow. When it is very windy and snowy, this is called a blizzard. And during a blizzard, winds can actually blow as fast as 45 miles per hour. Lightning is a giant electricity spark. Electricity is created when water droplets freeze alongside rain and wind inside a storm cloud. The electricity builds up and builds up until it flashes out of the cloud as lightning. Lightning is hotter than the surface of the sun, and lightning is dangerous. Stay indoors if you hear thunder. Hurricanes are the strongest storms on Earth. They bring heavy rain, high winds, rough waves, and floods to coastlines. Every storm has a different name, but they don't change how intense they are. A hurricane forms when a group of thunderstorms spins over warm oceans. As this group of storms becomes stronger and stronger, winds rush to its center. This causes the entire storm to spin, forming one massive storm. Tornadoes can do a lot of damage. They have some of the strongest winds on Earth. They can lift cows, cars, and even homes off the ground. Tornado Alley in the United States has the most reported tornadoes than anywhere else in the world. People use underground shelters during tornadoes. If you hear a tornado, seek shelter immediately. Weather can get weird. Tornadoes that form over water are called waterspouts. A waterspout does not suck up water, but it can suck up frogs or other small animals. A dust storm can happen when powerful winds blow across dry land. Clouds of dust and sand fill the air. A climatologist is a scientist who studies Earth's climate. Earth's climates are changing. Climate change can make the weather change too. Global warming is melting glaciers, which adds more water to the Earth's oceans. More water in the atmosphere may mean big storms in some places and fewer in others. On Arbor Day, Buzz and Fly Guy planted a tree. Then it started to rain. "This is perfect weather for our little tree," said Buzz. Buzz and Fly Guy could not wait for their next field trip. Thank you for joining us with this story time, and I hope you have a great day.